Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Ango Video, and today is going to be the 19th video in this series. Let me show you guys today how to make a comment.php, which is basically how you add a comment in a WordPress blog. Alright, so we got this text area over here. It's just a basic text area. It's not, I didn't add any styling or anything. So let's just add test comment one, post comment. Here it is. Let's go to another post, for example. Let's go to post 2, test 3. Here it is. Alright, so right now the comments itself is basically like showing in everywhere, which is not basically what we want, but I'm gonna show you how to get the comments in this video. Alright, so we got a basic comment.php template over here. It's a very basic template for just displaying the comments. Let me tell you what basically this is. So basically we got two if statements over here that basically just get the comments if they are approved and listing the comments and the avatar size as well as getting the page comment that are open and the comment form itself, which is where we just added the comment. And finally, this is a pagination, just in case if the comment links itself are over a certain number of posts, it's just gonna give you to the next post, and it's usually 10 comments or 10 posts in the WordPress theme. So basically, this is what it does. It's just gonna make another page for your comments, like a next and a previous. Alright, so let's go into our single.php. I just added the comment.php over here with the search.php and the footer. So we'll go back to comment.php and let me explain what is going on over here. So basically this is showing us if the post is password required, it would return early and without loading the comments. So basically if a user that's not logged in is accessing this post, it's basically gonna return to him without the comments. Right? So here we have an if statement, which basically is just saying if we have the comments, it's just a WordPress function. Please display this code and print this template as well with the comments number, the comments title, which is Bootstrap 5 blog, and the number format, again with the comments number and the title. Alright. Over here we have another WordPress function, which is WordPress list comments as an array over here, and just adding the style of the order list, and as well as a short ping, which is added to true, and the avatar size here is default to 74 from the template page we got. And finally, this is basically just finding if there are comments to navigate through. And as you can see, I got this for the 2013 theme. And also let's just change that. Let's do it to Bootstrap 5 blog. Alright. Just between the quotation, the single quotes, I'm sorry. Over here, and over here. Alright, and if there are no comments, just say that the comments are closed. Alright, and here we're just ending the if statement for the have comments over here. Alright, and finally we're just paginating over the comment itself. So basically if we have like more than 10 comments in a page or wherever whatever you define here, it's just gonna basically make a new page for your comments, so your page doesn't load like a lot of comments. If you have like 100 comment on a page, it's just gonna make another page for the comments. So you can press next and previous just for the comments if they go over the limit that you have on your page. Alright, So then you're just gonna go to single.php and display that. Alright, so basically that is it. This is how we make a comment .php. And you got also over here is just basically explaining you the for loop that we done over here with the if statement. And this is the one we used, which has got the template header, the comments title, the listing, the pagination, and that the comments are a closed message if there are no comments over here. So basically it's just explaining what I just said over here. And this is the comment form, the basic comment form, the comment pagination, and there is just some more things I just want to show you over here. This is very important. I'm gonna put the link for this in the description down below, but you just gotta check the function reference for WordPress. This is one of the best things that you could get to, is the WordPress developer documents. So here it's just showing that the WordPress list comments is displaying all the comments form, the comments templates, the paginate, the get comments, the get approved comments, and also for retrieving the comments metadata, which is basically, as it's saying, it's just getting the comment link metadata, getting the comment author metadata, comment date metadata, and comment time and comment text as well. Alright, so this is has been it for comment.php. I'm gonna put the post the git I'm sorry, the git commit in the link in the description. uh, I'm gonna show you guys also in the next videos how to make a login page, a registration page, and also comment down below how can we guys this is gonna be a little bit of a tricky thing you could do, but basically how can we make the comment appear for only the post that we want. We don't want the comment to be shown in everywhere. So let me just give you a little hint. It's gonna be starting with basically just not having this comment page. Is gonna be something different. All right. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. This was AngoEDU, and see you guys in the next video. All right. We're gonna do a login video in the next video in the 20th series. All right. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye bye.